Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Cash App card to Amazon. Let's get started. This is a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along closely. To add your Cash App card to Amazon so you can use it as a payment method for anything you purchase, you first need to head over to your Amazon account page. You can complete this process either on the Amazon website using a computer or through the Amazon mobile app on your phone. If you're using a phone, simply open your web browser and go to Amazon.com or launch the Amazon app directly from your home screen. Regardless of which method you choose, the steps are essentially the same. After signing into your Amazon account, look for your account name and tap on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll need to scroll down until you find the option that says See All Account or something very similar. Selecting this will take you to your complete account management page, where you have access to all the settings and options related to your Amazon profile. On your account management page, scroll down carefully until you locate the Payments category. Tap on Your Payments to proceed, which will redirect you to a dedicated page known as your Amazon Wallet. This is where you can view all the payment methods currently saved to your account, including any credit cards, debit cards, or gift cards you've previously added. You can also see your current Amazon balance here if you have one. To add your Cash App card, tap on the Add a Payment Method button. You'll see several options depending on your region, but for all regions, you should have the clear option to add a credit or debit card. Select this option to proceed to the information entry screen. Now, you'll need to input all the required credentials from your Cash App card. You can find all this information in the latest version of the Cash App. Open your Cash App and switch over to the Card tab, which shows a digital version of your card. Alternatively, you can use your physical Cash App card if you have it with you. You'll need to carefully enter the card number, expiration date, security code, CVV, and the name exactly as it appears on the card. Keep in mind that some users have reported occasional issues when trying to link their Cash App cards to Amazon. Whether your specific card will link successfully can depend on factors like the type of card you have, how many funds are currently loaded on it, and other security considerations. The only way to know for sure if your particular card is eligible is to input all the details as mentioned and see if Amazon accepts it. Once you've completed the process and your card appears successfully in your Amazon wallet, you're all set. You can now browse through Amazon for any items you want to purchase and select your Cash App card as the payment method during checkout. That's it, guys.